Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, I am going to share with you the pattern for a very beautiful and delicate lace scarf. The scarf measures approximately 10.5 inches wide after blocking, and the length can be adjusted. To make this scarf, you will need approximately 400 to 450 yards of sport weight yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the scarf. Make a slip knot and chain 65. If you want a wider scarf, then you can add chains in multiples of 6 to the initial chains. Let's start row 1. Now skip 6 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and work a double crochet in the 7th chain. Chain 2, double crochet in same chain. Then chain 5. Skip the next chain and make a double crochet in the next chain. Skip 1 chain and work a double crochet in the next chain. Then skip 3 chains. Now repeat the stitches, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the next chain after skipping 3 chains. Then chain 5, skip 1 chain and double crochet in the next chain. Repeat the stitches across, skip next 3 chains and work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in next chain, then chain 5, skip 1 chain and double crochet in the next chain. Then skip 3 chains and repeat. We have reached the end of the row. Now you are left with 2 chains at the end. Skip 1 chain and work a double crochet in the last chain. Okay, that was row 1. Now let's start row 2. Make 3 chains and turn. This 3 chain will count as your first stitch. Now in the next chain 5 space, work double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet. skip the next chain 2 space and into the next 5 space, chain 5 space, make double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet. This is the stitch that you are going to repeat throughout. Skip the chain 2 space and into the next chain 5 space, work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet. So repeat this across, working double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet in every chain 5 space until the end of the row. These chains that you have at the end is a stitch. So you work a double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the last stitch. This is your row 2. Now let's start row 3. Chain 3 and turn. In the chain 5 space you will work a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet. Now repeat this in every chain 5 space across. I will go to the next chain 5 space and work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet. Repeat this in every chain 5 space across. Now in the last stitch, which is the turning 3 chain, work a double crochet. That's the end of row 3. Chain 3 and turn, and you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach your desired length of the scarf. So it's very simple pattern. It's the same stitch pattern throughout, only the starting and ending of rows 2 and 3 differ slightly. Other than that, it's exactly the same. So it's very easy to remember the pattern also and work as many rows as you want. As I said initially, if you want to increase the width of your scarf, just add stitches in multiples of 6 to your initial chains. When you have reached the desired length, finally to finish off, just work chain 5 and single crochet in each chain 5 space across, so that you have a straight edge as the other side. Now this scarf requires blocking. If you're not familiar with blocking, I'm sure you can find plenty of videos on YouTube. You just have to wet the scarf and then squeeze it gently to take out all the extra water, and then stretch it out on a ironing board or on your bed or carpet, and then place pins around the edges and let it dry completely before removing the pins. You can see the scarf is so delicate and airy because of the open work. It will make a wonderful Christmas gift. If you like the pattern, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.